Are you the Grinch?
Bench.
Are you the Grinch calling Max?
Yes. Good.
Show me your Grinch drawing.
Okay. It's broken. No, Mommy, it's broken.
Broken?
No, it's fine.
It's fine. It's fine, Mama.
I want 5 bits. 9, 10.
You wanna say good morning to Tita and Tita? Yeah.
More.
Morning, guys.
I'm gonna get.
Good morning, guys.
I want something on me.
Mama's making pancakes.
I want cake.
Yeah, Mama's just making it. I'll give it to you when it's cooked, okay?
No, it's hot, Mommy. I know when it's hot.
Oh, make sure it's not hot when I give it to you.
No, it's still cold.
Oh, the
It's cold.
It's cold, yes.
Cake is cold. Cake is cold, Mommy. Cake is cold.
What's cold?
Yeah. A cake is cold.
Where's Daddy, Lama?
It's not a gym.
You think so?
It's not a gym.
Gym?
Yeah.
What is he doing at the gym?
Oh, there's tell the ladies.
Huh?
There's tell lady. It's tell ladies now.
What is it?
It's show ladies.
Exercise.
No. Gym. The other side. The
Yeah.
side.
Shelby, show how to exercise. Ah, like that. Oh.
The beach. And the beach. 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 Beach.
Beach.
What's that, Mama? What's that? This.
That's the
What's that, Mommy?
pancake, see? Mama's making pancake.
This guy?
Oh, that one is making.
This guy?
Good morning, everyone.
This guy?
Escape. This one is very chatty this morning. She's been chatting
guy.
away.
What's that?
Yes.
Oh, why shoot me?
I love you, sweetheart. Here you go. It's for you.
What's that, Mommy?
Book.
Book.
Yes.
This one the book.
That's book as well, yes.
This one the book.
No pen. Go pick it up. You want to go down?
No, you, Mommy.
You mommy.
You, Mommy.
Please?
Please.
There you go.
Here I go. Here I go, Mommy.
Here you go. She's very talkative this morning, guys.
Here I go.
You see if we still have strawberries. Open this blindly. Mainit na naman kasi sa labas, guys. Kaya we're trying to close all the blinds para hindi pumasok yung init. Magkakape ako. Ito yung gagamitin mong kape. Yung from South Korea na kape. Kasi this seems to be fine with me. So, di ba, pumunta kami ng Filipino shop. Bumili ako na ito.
Mommy.
Yan. Favorite ko talaga to siya, guys. Kasi sobrang nasasarapan ako ba? Kasi diba matamis. And also, parang naaalala ko yung Pinas kapag ito yung But, alam niyo yung napapansin ko na kapag yan yung iniinom ko, parang magpapalpitate ako, guys. Yung bang, ewan ko, may mga times na parang na-anxious ako. Parang minsan hindi ako nakakahinga. Like last night, pumunta ako ng bed. Parang pinaano ko yung sarili ko na makatulog ako kasi hindi ako makahinga. Coffee. Yan lang yung iniisip ko talaga dahilan. Kasi last time, yan din yung nararamdaman ko. But sabi ko, grabe naman yung kape. Ito yung ginagawa, di ba? So sabi ko, hindi siguro. Uy, but then nag-stop ako kasi naubusan. At hindi ko man na-fail. At ngayon, bumalik na naman ako sa pag-inom yan. Nafe-feel ko na naman siya. Kaya nag-isip ko, baka nga yung kape yung dahilan. Sobrang gusto ko pa naman, guys. Pero may alternative ako dito sa South Korean na mild French cafe. And this one seems to be very fine.
A few moments later.
Hello.
Mommy, I want to have food.
Which one? You don't open it half because it's gonna make a mess. Let her hold it lang. The red one. Or a different color. You gonna paint later?
Yes. We're open, Mommy. We're so open.
So it's been 2 days now, guys, na yung natawag dito yung volcano ni Ate Paris at the Celine. So nag-dry na yun. Pwede na siya i-paint.
Mama,
What colors have you got there, girls?
we got red, some gray, and some yellow.
Wow.
And that. And Mommy or Daddy will put a line on each side. And each of us are going to paint each side however we like.
Open the color later, honey. When Daddy's home, okay? We can paint with Daddy.
Mama, I think me and everybody opened it.
Don't make a mess, please.
No. She did open it.
So what color is this, Lainey? Yellow. Good afternoon, guys. It's nearly 2 o'clock ng hapon. And nandito kami ni Ate Paris sa cafe. Move your little bit, honey. I can see you. Ayan. So, kakapagawa lang ni Mami niyo ng kanyang lashes. Ayan. So, this is the first time this year na nagpa-lashes tayo, guys. Kasi, as mentioned before sa previous vlogs natin, I've been, applying for jobs now and you'll never know, baka magka-interview. You'll never know, diba? So, it's good na ready na tayo and also, anyways, ayan, sobrang ganda ng paggagawa ng lashes natin today. So, malapit dito sa, lash place ko ay yung cafe na pupuntahan namin all the time. So, bumili na ako nito. Paris has got like the iced chocolate here. What are you having, Ala? Is that a biscuit? Yeah, I've got this one. The almond croissant, my favorite. Ayan. So, si Daddy Mike tsaka si Baby Celine I think nag-stay sila sa bahay. Hindi sila lumabas ata. Because it was raining before.
Do you want my best coffee maker? Tell me.
Yes. You did. Drink lang, it's all over your teeth. So after dito, guys, uwi din kami. Actually, wala pa kaming plano na Daddy Mike kung ano yung gagawin natin ngayong hapon.
Mama, you know what? Long time ago when I was at school, I think on Tuesday, Daddy and me spent out for my school day, I had to go to school. We did that first, like for 15 minutes, and then we had 20 minutes to go to that shop and have a drink. So that means we went to school at 10 or 11 o'clock.
Alright. You're late.
Because Daddy and me wanted to spend out together for a little bit.
Ano ba guys, naligo ako. Hindi ako nagsuslay kaya ang ating buka parang lion, no? Very warm siya. Very warm.
Look, I have ice chocolate.
Nasa labas na kami ng tourist office guys. Hindi pa kami nakauwi. We're on our way home. So, maipopost tayo since nasa labas na naman kami. Dinala ko na lang kung kailangan kong i-post today. See, last night, I sold this.
I know which bag it is. It's brown.
How did you know?
What? I saw the picture on it.
I sold this
Gucci!
Gucci. Oh my god, I love this bag. Actually, it's a Gucci mini Jackie bag, shoulder bag. Sobrang ganda nito. Anyways, I sold this one last night and the buyer paid straight away, which is really good. So, pwede na siyang i-post. And then, earlier today, may nag-send naman ng offer nito sa eBay. So, this is another bag that we have. It's the black Coach bag. Ayan. It's not gonna work, honey, because there's no internet. No internet. Okay, let's get out of here. Dito kami sa labas ng post office, guys, diba? Kakatapos ko lang. And see kung anong... Careful the car! Sino nakita namin? Careful! Where's Paris? Kakaroon, where's ate? Where's Paris? Kiss mommy!
Where's Paris?
Where's ate?
Where's Paris?
Oy, where's ate?
I'm right there.
Lumrug correct. Where's Paris? Where did you go, Daddy?
Find out chocolate and buy some personal goods.
Where's ate?
Go
Yeah,
in the car.
yeah.
Go in the
I
car.
was like, oh, we're gonna go get sushi.
Lenny has
You
the
go on the other side.
Lenny has the so go. You want to put her in? I'll put the black in.
Did you do Lily? Where did you go, Palangan? Where did you go?
Mommy just.
Ay, yung mommy dress. Come here. Go in. Ay, sure, bugkos Dito kami sa sushi place. Then get yours, baby girl.
Sushi. No.
Sushi. This is yours. California for Lini.
So thank you.
Honey chicken for Ati.
Thank you.
And
Why is it slippery?
sweet chili for Mami.
Why is it slippery? Why is mine slippery?
Look at it. You only one pair, but you shouldn't get 3 pairs.
Have na yours, anak.
You shouldn't take them because it's like other people's.
Did you ride your scooter, honey?
Daddy,
Where did you go?
you know what? I'm going to make coffees.
Did you get coffee?
You gotta
Wow.
pay your volcano at home.
Did Daddy get you coffee as well?
Yeah.
And you like it?
You gotta pay your volcano at home.
That's good. I need to go to the toilet. Yes, lady.
Like, do you know what you're born in?
No, mommy.
Yeah, not mine.
Update ko kayo guys sa aking
What year was Harris born?
Job seeking.
January.
So ito yung ginagamit ko na app guys. Paghanap
Born in
ng
2019.
work dito sa Australia. Seek jobs. Every day meron siyang ina-add na mga work. So may mga na-applyan na ako guys.
You were born
And,
in 2018.
kasi may mga sinisave na ako na
Did
mga
your dad is
work.
born?
So as I go through the mga availability, tinitingnan ko yung gusto kong
1982.
applyan. And then yung dito, ito yung mga na-applyan ko na guys. Ayan. It's so good kasi sa app na to,
Lenny was born in
ano siya,
2021.
ang tawag dito, pwede kang mag-apply na dito. So, yung resume ko, tsaka cover letter, ay na-upload na sa app na to. So, kapag may gusto akong applyan, ayan, katulad nito, ayan, so administration officer. So, makita nyo guys, ganyan. Applied, and then, yung
Yes.
update siyaan, uy, kahapon ba to? So, may mga update guys, makikita mo, ganyan o. Viewed by employer. Itong pangalawa, viewed by employer din. Dito, applied
Huh?
on advertises sa yung iba mga applied lang. Ayan, applied, viewed by employer. And hopefully, kung may isang
Lenny, you want noodles?
ang tawag ito, kumunta, and makapasok kayo sa interview and that, but I've been actively applying for job guys, kasi mag-start na ng school si Baby Celine sa 22nd, and then I have time to myself, you know, so I can work now. Apart from this, meron ding yung dun ka ang tawag dito, meron ding LinkedIn. So, itong LinkedIn, ito yung parang Facebook, pero professional na Facebook ganun.
Go gaga.
Ganyan. Minsan may mga jobs din dito na ako nag-apply. So, we'll see, you know, like, the more application, the more chances of getting a job. So, fingers crossed, like, pray for me guys na soon may tumawag for interview. Never know. Never know. I'm actually very excited, you know. Every time, before, Facebook, Instagram ako, but ngayon, I'm more like seek jobs, may mga bago bang available na na post. May bago, one day ago, sales illustrator. Mostly kasi dito guys, tingin yung mga full-time. So, hindi ako makakapag-apply ng full-time kasi hindi man ako commit. Diba? Yung commitment ko lang is part-time, at least like 3 days a week. So, kaya medyo mahirap kasi hindi naman maraming kumpanya ngayon na nag-offer ng 3 days, diba? Hopefully, we'll find something process. So, I'm not stressing myself though, guys. Alam kong makakahanap ko ng trabaho. Like, it might not be like tomorrow or next week, but I know that I'm confident in myself na I'll find one. So, hindi ko stress ang sarili ko. Basta, I just know na I am trying, I'm applying, and I'm doing something, you know. I'm not just sitting there. Kasi kung hindi naman ako mag-apply, wala nga naman ma-expect ako na may trabaho, diba? So, I know myself that I'm applying and like actively looking. So, I know something. Inuisin mo itong mga tao dito. Ganyan ka. Anak mahal. Taga ka na anak ko. Oh, good, Diyos ko Lord, gamay na lang ngayong lingkuran diya. You wearing strawberry dress?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Hey, are you going to see friends to school soon? Are you excited? You're going to see Seth? Yes. Anya as well.
Anya to school.
Yeah, Anya's school. Yeah. You'll see her there.
No, at schools.
Yeah, and Lenny too.
Ate go to big school. Lini go to
baby school.
Yeah, little school.
Baby school. Lily's going to baby school. I could go to big school.
And then mommy and daddy come pick up Lenny later.
Yeah.
Lenny play with friends. Mommy and daddy go home.
Yes.
And then we come back and get Lenny after finish playing friends.
Yeah. Pick you up.
And you have your own lunch.
Okay?
Yeah. You're gonna have fun.
Yay.
Yeah, I got that. And then I share. That's how I'm gonna. Hey, you did.
You gotta be a good girl to your friends, okay? Hey, you share, okay?
I'm going.
Yeah.
Share, okay?
Sharing, very important that you share, okay?
I share the pen.
Yes. Share the pen, everything, toys, you share. Yeah, it's more fun when you're sharing, okay? Good girl, my love. I love you.
I share the charge.
I love you.
I share the charge.
Share the charge, yes.
Oh, I just play.
Yes, and you play together. You do handstand.
Mosquito will come.
The mosquito. The last night, yeah, when you did a handstand and the mosquito came, yeah? Itchy. The big ones.
That's one.
Yes.
Where's this sister?
Yes.
Sister. When can we go back to like the Limbo Park?
Next time, maybe next week.
Right now. And
It's
that's
now 7 o'clock ng gabi. We are out. Oh! Cut! Kakapark lang namin. Oh, sorry, ate. Anak, can you pick up that for Celine, ate?
it's fine.
Kakapark lang namin, guys. Nandito kami sa Hawthorne. We are getting something to eat for dinner. Sabi ni Daddy Mike na gusto niya ng Mexican. So, nung naglakad-lakad kami dito the other day, may nakita kami dito na Mexican restaurant dito. And it looks busy actually. So, we'll see kung meron silang spot for us. Careful. Done.
Where's Mexican?
This one. Make me fana. Look, see. Diyan kami nag-coffee the other day. So, Hawthorne Cinema, andyan. And this one here, what's this one? Mucho Mexicano. Anong meron? Ah, burritos. Huh? Oh, we could have just walked from there, Daddy. That's away. Make me wanna. Hintay lang kami, guys, ng aming table. Make me wanna. Brush your hair, brush your hair. Here's our table. Okay, Lini and Mama will sit here. Yeah. Girl. Ang taas naman itong aming lamis to eh.
Kids menu.
Thank you.
And adults menu. Tonight we've got the 50-cent wings with any drinks. Well, actually with the traditional margarita, sorry. Minimum 5, maximum 20 per drink.
I want to look.
That's stone flower. So let's order, guys.
Tommy.
Yes, what are you getting?
I know, Mama. Which one did I
Which one? No, moving lang. Tingnan niyo, oh. Ang tangkad ng aming
see.
upuan. Wanna see?
What's that called?
Tacos, quesadillas. Nothing.
I'll get you the chicken tacos.
Tacos.
Ati, try the green.
Yeah.
Taco color.
Yeah, try a little bit.
If you order tacos,
Yeah, just that.
the chicken, what's it? Soft tacos, like.
Can you make it on the table, please?
Ewan ko
Then you gotta
bakit
make?
dalawa yung ready Daddy Mike. Oh my God.
Mommy, help. Go, 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 make.
Kain ito.
Mama, taste
Come on. Yeah, come see here.
Go, make.
Come here. Sarap ng chips na to, guys. Oh.
Yummy?
Thank you. Careful.
You gotta
And you can
eat
make
it
your own,
already.
okay?
I put 2 chickens.
Yum.
I'm done. Stuff.
That's Leanie's one.
This is yours lang. It's
You
the
make.
same. It's the same.
This one.
Wow.
Cheese.
Cold beef.
Thank you. That cheese.
Chip. Yes. Celine is having chicken now. Good girl. Like a big girl. And we've got saffron rice as well. What's yours, Sunny?
Fish.
See, say good night, Daddy. Now.
No, night, Daddy.
And there's nothing on that system
No, night.
you give birth to a baby, okay? The woman is a failed asylum seeker and has broken her bail condition. At the moment, we've got it down that you should have been reporting and you're not reporting. Now you must report, otherwise we'll come back and arrest you, alright? Do you have a wallet or some ID on you?
Daddy.
Yeah? At the
Mommy,
moment,
say
one of them will
Say good night, Daddy. Good girl.
yes.